You's a vegan, but you going ham. Yeah.
Hey YouTube, thank you so much for tuning into Pretty Brown Vegan, the place for plant-based comfort foods. If you are new here, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I make my vegan meat out of walnuts. This is a completely plant-based recipe as always, and it's surprisingly super delicious. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So to go ahead and get started, we do need to go ahead and process some raw walnuts. So just go ahead and put about 2 cups in a food processor and get it into a fine crumble. And once you have that ready to go, it's time to saute. We're gonna go ahead and heat some oil up in a skillet, and I add in some onions and garlic here because I am putting this over pasta. And go ahead and saute those up until translucent. Once that onion and garlic is ready, go ahead and add in your walnuts. These are what mine are looking like here. And just go ahead and saute that up over medium heat. Once the walnuts are well combined with the onion and garlic, go ahead and start adding in your seasonings. I first go ahead and add in some soy sauce, and then I also come back in here and add in a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. After adding in our liquids, I do come back in with a decent amount of spices here. This recipe is really based on all of the spices. It really just helps give those walnuts that meaty taste. So just go ahead and see all of the spices that I add in here. Once you get all of your spices and seasonings added in here, just go ahead and give it a nice well toss and continue heating over medium heat until everything comes together. Once that's well tossed and has come together, I go ahead and add in a little bit of brown sugar here. And then I also come back in with a little bit more soy sauce. I think it just gives it a nice color, and I just needed that a little bit additional flavor. And then we just go ahead and keep tossing that up until it's well heated through. Once everything's well tossed and heated through, that's it. This was a super simple and easy recipe. It's so yummy and fulfilling as well. These walnuts are packed with so many things that we need, and just giving them some seasonings has really helped give them that meaty texture, and it still has that nutty kick to it. It's so bomb, guys. If you guys are looking to get away from that processed meat, those pre-made vegan meats that are sold in the stores and the freezer aisle, you're trying to step away from those a little bit, this is a wonderful alternative. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please comment down below. Let me know if you guys are looking for more alternatives like this, and make sure you guys are subscribed if you're not already. Thanks so much.